just kidding.
Are you taking a picture or are you taking a video?
50 years from now, when you're looking back,
Stop! I don't know. Hello. How you doing? No, how you
Kilay nga, kilay.
No! Ayoko na yan ako.
Tulo ni Archie. Che!
Walang kristal. I see the future. The future is dangerous. Very dangerous.
Nagat yung tao eh. Baliw to eh.
Mainit ang ulo ni Archie. Oh, hi.
Webcam. Aba mo?
You should sit in my lap.
Ayan. Yan.
I have no secret on you.
Okay, that's top secret only. Okay. Palitan natin siya.
Right?
Real.
Yung hirap nito, guys. Wala kasi sa bundok to, laptop ang puta.
Ano?
It's very nice, laptop. Very nice.
You let me see something there?
No, you can't.
My bad.
What do you understand? Why if he's supposed to be like the super advanced
Hi.
robot?
What are you saying of it?
Hurry up, man.
It's here, motherfucker. It's now uploading. Uploading 100. Completed.
That car is sensitive. I mean, $4,000 just drove off.
Yeah.
Who is doing that? Stop it! Stop!
Bawal kay Erin, wala eh.
Stop it! Ikaw ah. Okay. Wait mo. Chuk, 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 chuk. What's up? Hi.
Pause.
Ew. Ew, harassment. Oh, yes. Jinky talaga.
Oh, yes.
Feel it.
Oh my god. Oh.
Kinikilabutan ako sa'yo. Holy shit.
Hey, you bought something else?